Hi everyone, welcome to the program of Happily Ever After Nuclear Explosion. I'm Peto Yan, the writer and director of this show. This show was firstly premiered in Munich Residenztheater in 2018. It was under the program of World Stage. In 2019, I've also directed my own version in Hong Kong at TAI KWUN Theatre Season. And soon, it was invited by Asia Playwright Festival in South Korea. The story is about how a disaster destroyed the city and how people react to this disaster. The two protagonists, one elder sister and one younger brother, they left the city because of the disaster. The whole story was told by the elder sister because the younger brother witnessed something terrible and he became mute. But soon, they found that they could not get used to their new home, so they decided to go back to their hometown. So let's not wait and watch the trailer of this show.
Sự情發生嘅時候，大概係半夜。突然間成個城市陷入黑暗之中。我一直愛住嘅嗰個城市已經一去不返。有一日我帶佢去浴室嘅時候，佢身上嘅一小片皮膚甩咗出嚟，黐住咗喺我身體上面。佢尖叫，佢唔知道發生緊啲乜嘢事。佢變得好脆啊！佢每日大便25次，佢每個鐘頭都會甩頭髮。佢每次見到我，佢都會叫我個名，常明，救我！我哋幾時返屋企啊？聽日。我每日都重複好多次。你睇唔到你嘅敵人，因為敵人就喺裏面。你嘅裏面或者你嘅出邊，敵人會摧毀你，但係你唔知道佢係啲乜嘢。佢哋同我哋講：你哋自由啦。你哋可以喺呢一度展開新嘅生命，過去都已經過去啦。新生命過去，佢哋真係過咗去。我媽媽係咪呢啲過去嘅一部分？諷刺地，竟然有人嚟呢度旅行。佢哋想睇下呢個全世界最悲劇性嘅地方。我裏邊係空㗎。每當我好有意識喺自己裏邊揾我嘅時候，我乜都揾唔到。我成為咗一片虛空。碎咗嘅心可以重冚。我可唔可以喺我嘅城市重冚我的心？我感受到佢喺黑暗之中思考，就好似我哋嘅城市。佢喺黑暗之中望住我，佢諗咗一陣，跟住佢起身行返去隧道，靜默。天開始光，另一日開始，啲草綠過以前，而且長得好快。大自然開花，綠色係我哋城市最主要嘅顏色。我又諗起媽媽，我好後悔佢死嘅時候，我一句嘢都冇同佢講。我會同佢講啲咩呢？Kenneth， 你會同媽媽講啲咩？如果媽媽喺天堂睇住我嘅話，我可能仍然令佢失望。如果有天堂嘅話，最黑嘅黑暗，冇終止，冇開始，我變咗碎片。但係同時，我同呢個世界分唔開。
Thank you for watching our trailer. This performance is produced by Berlin Theater. I write plays both in Chinese and English. There are also 2 other plays which were written in English. One is A Concise History of Future China, and another one is Post-Human Condition. They were already translated into German and also Cantonese. If you are interested in our works, please feel free to go to our company's website. I hope I can see you all in person very soon. Good luck and stay healthy. Bye-bye.